Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. The first thing to do is to open the edits or the Instagram edits software. And from here, I'm just going to quit so we can follow this. Now you will be needing just to simply go to your project's settings or your projects tab. You can find it here in the center, and then either you can create a new project by clicking this plus sign, and from here you will be able to choose the footage that you want to include in this project. In my case, I'm just going to simply choose the one that I already have. By clicking on it, I will be able to start editing on this project. Now, to start creating CCs or subtitles, we will be needing just to use the AI tools that are provided by Instagram Edits and add our subtitles. As you can see here in the tab or in the menu, we will find these several tools. There is the audio where you can add in music to your videos, add in text, voice, to use some voiceover, etc. And here we will find captions. By clicking on caption, you will see that there will be generating captions, and this is just to some footage that has some uh, audio and speaking. So I'm just going to click on this one, and here I'm just going to click on caption. As you can see, there is a generating caption option that will be added to my video. So you can do that to all your videos that have some speech and they will have like a caption that will be generated. Now you will be able to start placing your caption. You can also have some uh, modification. For example, you can choose its color, its styling, and you can change whatever you like on your caption. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.